What do you desire right now? What are you desiring in life? What's your top desire, top 3 desires? What are you desiring? What do you want most? What are you longing to achieve, to receive? What are you longing to accomplish? What are you longing to get again within your life? Whatever your answer is, God says today, nothing that you desire, child, compares with the value of wisdom in your life. Nothing. So, no offense, bigger house. No offense, nicer car. No offense, flush RSP. No offense, 5% body fat. See, I want you to look at verse 15 again. And nothing you desire compares with her. Loved ones, look here for a second. Look here now, look here. Do you believe this? Like truly. Now, it's not just us nodding our heads saying, I believe this. We prove we believe it by living it. Do you believe this? God does. God does. God believes that nothing we desire can compare with the value and the beauty and the worth again in wisdom.